I could very simply go back in and choose one path that maybe I am passionate about and just pursue that. And it sounds good as you're saying it. And it feels like, well, I could, so why shouldn't I? And then you start to think about like, what would your day look like? And this is where I've been going more and more in my daily thoughts about what am I going to pursue in 26 is okay, forget Atomic, forget Tom, forget the clients, forget the money, forget the kids, even forget Adam. What do you want your days to operate like? How do you want days? If you could just say, here's a great day that could operate for any human being, what would be a good look? What would be an ideal situation that feels right to you? Doesn't matter if there's evidence that it's right, but it feels right. And I've been looking at it through that lens to try to imagine what does that look like? Because I'm obsessed, my days aren't what I feel I want them to be. I love almost every moment of it. And then when I'm done with a moment, I'm like, is that really what I wanted to do? I got it done. And I'm like, okay, it's accomplished and everything. But I'm like, is that a good use of the time that this day allowed for? And I don't mean productively. I don't mean financially. I don't mean for your health or mental well being or any of those things. I just mean like from desire. Like if you could go have a redo of the last hour, would you do that again? Knowing what you know now. And the cool thing is, I get to know what I know about living my life and running businesses and do these things. So what does the day look like? And can I build a day around what I would like it to look like? Because it's hard for me to say, all right, between these hours and these hours, between these days and these days, we've committed to taking Fridays off. I haven't taken a Friday off since we've committed to do that. I just haven't. It's just a different opportunity for me to pursue the things I'm passionate about. Now, some of those I put on as self-inflicted responsibilities. Some of them I've put on as, exploration and I get to like try things. Some of them are creativity. Some of them are just relaxation. Some of them are things we must get done that I'm just like, I put off too long, but that's what I've used that time for. But then I also do that on the weekends too. And it's like, there's no end to it. So I'm like, wait, why don't I just lean into this? And why don't I look at it from a holistic standpoint of just a circadian rhythm of Adam? And in that time when he's awake, what are the things he'd love to do? And I don't know if they need to be routine. I don't know if they need to be flexible, but that's how I'm looking at it now because I am very confident that no matter what it is, it's going to be successful. So why not make some choices of like, all right, this is how I'd like it to operate. This is how I'd like it to look, regardless of how it's done. This is how I'd like it to look.